A large amount of friction between the tires and the road produces considerable wear and tear of the tires. To avoid this, the curved rod is given an inclination sloping upwards towards the outer circumference. This reduces wearing of the tires because of horizontal component of normal reaction provides the necessary centripetal force. Gravitational force acts along the vertically downward direction. Normal reaction R is perpendicular to the surface of the car and friction acts along the road. Then vertical component of R is R cos theta and horizontal component is R sin theta. Similarly, the horizontal component of F is F cos theta and vertical component of F is F sin theta. Here, for the safe turn, the sum of the component of normal reaction and frictional force both are providing the necessary centripetal force. Hence, R sin theta plus F cos theta equals mv square divided by R, which is equation number 1. And here, upward forces are balanced by the downward forces. So, R cos theta equals F sin theta plus mg, or R cos theta minus F sin theta equals mg, which is equation number 2. Divide equation number 1 by 2, we get R sin theta plus F cos theta all divided by R cos theta minus F sin theta equals mv square divided by R all divided by mg. Now divide each term of numerator and denominator of left side by R cos theta. Then we get R sin theta divided by R cos theta plus F cos theta divided by R cos theta all divided by R cos theta divided by R cos theta minus F sin theta divided by R cos theta equals mv square divided by R all divided by mg. It becomes tan theta plus F by R all divided by 1 minus F by R tan theta equals V square divided by R all divided by G. But we know F by R equals mu. So, tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta equals V square divided by Rg. Hence, V square equals Rg into tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. Then, the maximum possible speed of a car on a banked curved road is V equals root Rg tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta, which is greater than that of the curved flat road. For a level road, put theta equals 0 in the previous equation. Then Vmax equals root mu Rg. In this case, maximum velocity depends on the radius of the rod and coefficient of friction. For an ideal case, if there is no friction, then mu equals 0, then Vmax equals root Rg tan theta. In this case, maximum velocity depends on the radius of the rod and angle of banking.